Welcome to your IELTS listening practice from Spinta.org. This is a mini-test designed to help you practice a specific section of the exam and improve your confidence. The recording will be played one time only, just like in the official test. Let's begin.
Good afternoon. As our world becomes increasingly urbanized, with more than half the global population now living in cities, we face a growing environmental challenge: the urban heat island effect. This phenomenon occurs when urban areas experience significantly higher temperatures than their surrounding rural areas, creating localized hotspots that can be several degrees warmer. The primary cause of urban heat islands is the replacement of natural vegetation with concrete, asphalt, and other building materials. These surfaces absorb and retain solar radiation much more effectively than grass, trees, or soil. During the day, concrete and asphalt act like thermal sponges, soaking up heat. At night, they slowly release this stored energy, preventing cities from cooling down as much as rural areas do. Human activities within cities contribute significantly to the heat island effect. Air conditioning systems, vehicles, industrial processes, and even the simple act of heating buildings all generate waste heat that accumulates in the urban atmosphere. This anthropogenic heat production can add several degrees to the ambient temperature, particularly in densely populated commercial districts. The geometry of cities also plays a crucial role. The canyon-like structure created by tall buildings traps heat and reduces air circulation. Solar radiation bounces between building surfaces, creating multiple reflections that increase heat absorption. Meanwhile, the reduced sky view factor limits the city's ability to radiate heat back to space, essentially creating an urban greenhouse effect. Air pollution exacerbates the urban heat island effect through what's known as the greenhouse gas feedback loop. Particulates and gases in urban air can trap infrared radiation, further increasing temperatures. Additionally, pollution can affect cloud formation patterns, potentially reducing the cooling effect of precipitation and cloud cover. The health implications of urban heat islands are severe and disproportionately affect vulnerable populations. Elderly residents, young children, and individuals with pre-existing health conditions are particularly at risk during heat waves. Studies have shown that extreme heat events can increase mortality rates, emergency hospital admissions, and heat-related illnesses like heat stroke and dehydration. Economic costs are substantial as well. Higher urban temperatures increase energy demand for cooling, leading to higher electricity bills and greater strain on power grids. During peak summer periods, cities often experience power outages due to overwhelming demand for air conditioning, which can cost millions in lost productivity and infrastructure damage. Fortunately, cities are implementing various mitigation strategies. Green roofs and walls can reduce building temperatures while improving air quality. Urban forestry programs increase tree canopy coverage, providing natural cooling through evapotranspiration and shade. Some cities are experimenting with cool pavements and reflective building materials that absorb less heat. Water features like fountains, ponds, and constructed wetlands can provide localized cooling through evaporation. Singapore and other tropical cities have successfully integrated water into their urban planning, creating networks of canals and water gardens that serve both aesthetic and cooling purposes while managing stormwater runoff. Looking forward, smart city technologies offer new solutions. Heat mapping using satellite data and ground sensors can help city planners identify the hottest zones and target interventions more effectively. Climate-responsive urban design that considers wind patterns, solar exposure, and thermal comfort will become increasingly important as we adapt to our changing climate.
You have now completed the practice test. When you are ready for a full exam experience, visit us at Spinta.org. There you will find complete mock tests for all 4 skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Our platform provides instant AI feedback for your speaking and writing tasks, along with an accurate prediction of your band score. Take control of your preparation at Spinta.org.